Have you ever wondered if the YouTube channels that review and spoil popular movies can generate money? They can, and not just a little. Some make more than $5,000 every month. Allow me to show you proof. First, let us see if such a channel is monetized. Open Social Blade in a new tab, copy the channel URL, and then search. According to Social Blade, this channel makes between $5.4 thousand and $86.4 thousand per month. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making a movie recap video without facing copyright issues. Here is what we will do. The first step is to see the film and grasp the plot. To effectively characterize the plot, you must first understand it thoroughly. Once you have a thorough comprehension of the film, you must condense the plot into a compelling summary. Consider it storytelling. The idea is to keep your audience interested and engaged throughout the summary. Next, we'll create voiceovers. I'll be using 11 Labs, an artificial intelligence text-to-speech technology, for this. This program lets you create professional quality voiceovers without the need for recording equipment. After outlining the plot, use 11 Labs to create voiceovers. The first step is completed. The third and most important phase is editing the film. For this, I'll use CapCut. The movie we'll use as an example is The Conjuring, which was released in 2013. Begin by going to the IMDb website, entering in the movie name, and finding the synopsis. We will not utilize the synopsis verbatim. Rather, we will make it more interesting. Take the movie summary and utilize ChatGPT to rework it creatively. Choose the YouTube script writer option in ChatGPT and paste the synopsis. ChatGPT will create an excellent script for the film. Copy and paste this script into a text document. Let us now use 11 Labs to generate voiceovers. If you don't already have an account, establish one and choose a free plan. In the options, select an appropriate voice for your video. Copy the script written with ChatGPT part by part and generate the voiceovers. Once you have all of the voiceovers, the second part of our procedure is complete. Let's get started on the video editing now. Import the movie into your video editor, such as Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. First, delete the film's audio from the timeline. To circumvent copyright issues, flip the film using the mirror effect. Next, improve your video's visual appeal by adding color effects. Choose from the numerous color effects available and apply the one that best fits your video. After configuring the visual effects, add the created voiceovers to the timeline. Match the movie scenes to the voiceovers by dividing the film into sections. To avoid copyright accusations, each clip should last no more than 3 seconds. Slow down each clip by 50% and use transition effects between them. To further limit the danger of copyright concerns, incorporate still photographs from the movie at regular intervals, as well as appropriate copyright-free background music. Editing the video may take some time, but it is well worth the effort. Once you've finished editing, export the video and publish it to YouTube. However, to avoid any copyright concerns, do not include the real movie name in titles or descriptions. By following these steps, you'll be able to create successful movie recap videos without any copyright issues. This process not only ensures that your content is engaging and informative, but also helps you monetize your channel effectively. Happy video making!